Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Katelyn from grayflorals.com and welcome back for another video. Today I'm excited because I have my August 2020 How to Kill a Kit with Style kit share for you all. And if you guys have not watched my Kill a Kit video from July, definitely go watch that first so you guys can sort of see where I'm coming from and what I'm working with now. And if you guys have been on my channel for a bit now, you'll notice these fluctuations between essentially two color schemes. I have my brights and I have my pastels. And this month, we're going with a hybrid of bright pastels. Now, this collection that I do have quite a bit of is going to be the first time I'm working with a collection in some time. But I thought I would expand my horizons by offering myself some different types of embellishments to work with. One, to broaden my color palette and give myself more options of topics to scrapbook about, and two, to use up more supplies. So my base is starting off with a wonderful collection from Pink Fresh Studio called Joyful Day, and I got this in their mystery boxes quite a bit ago. Was it a mystery box or did I just buy the collection? Now I'm not sure what I ended up doing. I think this might have been a clearance collection on their website, and if you guys are not visiting their website, I'll have it linked down below. And I am a Pink Fresh Studio affiliate, so if you guys do want to support my channel, you can always click that link in the description, shop through there, and I get a commission at no additional cost to you, which helps support my channel so I can keep bringing you awesome content. But I've had this collection for a while and have not touched it, so it's about time that I gave it some love. So let's start with the collection itself, and then we'll share all the fun goodies I pulled out to go with it. So for this particular collection, I got three things. I got the 12x12 pack of paper, the 6x6 pack, and the wonderful die cuts. So to give you guys an overview, this is what the papers look like, some little sampling. So you get 16 pieces in these wonderful colors. And it almost gives me this folk art vibe, sort of Maggie Holmes-ish as well. So now that you know that, we can do a quick little flip through of all of these wonderful, wonderful patterns. This like blush peachy tone. This one's really, really fun. It reminds me of Vera Bradley. I don't know if you guys get that vibe. And this blue is one of my favorite colors of blue. It's just so unique and has that purple vibe to it as well. And as you guys know, the name of my blog is Gray Florals, and that is simply because I love florals. And I'm pretty sure I use them every month. So hopefully you guys will enjoy seeing me use some of these. Although I will say I am partial to all of the B-sides. I think they're absolutely beautiful. And it really depends on my mood for what side I'll end up using. Oh, this one's so, so pretty. Maybe some nature photos in here would be great. I'm really not sure what I want to scrapbook this month, but I have enough topics printed that I really could switch it up. And it's just so gorgeous. And it has that new paper smell because I just took it out of the packaging before I started this video. And this green, so vibrant, but it's mixed with these pastels. So that's kind of what I'm going for. That hybrid bright pastel color scheme is kind of what I pulled out in my stash as well. This one's one of my favorites. I love small floral prints. And then I believe they all repeat again. So we can just spread out these ones too. So you can see a lot of different types of florals. So it's really interesting to see them all together. But this one actually is like the easiest comparison of what the color scheme is. So the 6x6 paper pad has 32 papers. Again, all this is unused. And these are single-sided. So you can see all of them just on a smaller scale. And I really like when all the 6x6 papers match the 12x12. Because some collections, they don't actually have all of the papers in a 12x12, but they are in the 6x6. Really depends, but I'm really glad that I have both to work with. And you can really see here, this color scheme ranges from pastels to like hot pink, to bright green, to gray and yellow, and more pinks and orange. And it's almost all the colors of the rainbow. So I'm really excited to use this. And instead of going through the entire ephemera pack, I will show you guys the back of it, which I think is a great snapshot. And I've shared this before, but if you work out of ephemera packs like this, especially for your new ephemera, essentially you just take a pen to the back of it and X out what you've already used up. That way you don't have to go through the ephemera pack every time and be disappointed on what's left over. And while you're taking a gander at these, I do want to remind you that don't forget to check out everyone linked down below so you guys can check out their wonderful kits this month and what they'll be doing. And as I mentioned previously, we do have an exciting thing coming up at the end of August. So hopefully you guys will be subscribed to all of us and tune in for the grand finale that we'll be doing towards the end of the month. So since this is the items I picked out to base my kit off of, one, because it's exciting, it's new. Pink Fresh Studio is one of my favorite brands of all time. I love their high quality papers. Like, that's a thick, nice paper. And the 6x6 are just as nice. Ah, beautiful. And their die cut's so cute, dainty, multiple sizes. I love it all. So I thought I would build a kit off of that. Now I'm just going to bring them in one by one, but a lot of these are close to empties. And you guys know me, I am counting empties every month this year to hit a goal. And hopefully you guys can cheer me on while I'm doing that. So I have a couple of these mint heart lefts from Pretty Little Studio. I have these fun butterflies left. These are just from Recollections, but I'd like to use those. This is a set of We Are Memory Keepers labels, and what's nice is I have 2 pink left and then 5 black, but this one's a little bit ripped, so we're gonna have to see what we can do about that guy, but would love to finish both of those up this month. So that's a lot of labels, so that means a lot of layouts, so make sure you're subscribed. And then another new item, I picked this up at Tuesday morning just a few weeks ago, and this is from the Willow Lane collection from Maggie Holmes, and it was on clearance. So these are all journaling spots, like hidden ones, so it's really, really fun to be interactive. If you guys have not checked out my recent series on my channel called After the Glue Dries, we are chatting about all types of things, all about the things that you do after your layout's completed, whether it's finishing journaling, organizing them, putting them into albums, and talking about all of the fun things. Hidden journaling, journaling on darker backgrounds, journaling on busy layouts. So many fun things. So definitely check that out. I'll have the playlist linked down below in case you guys are interested. Next up is another Pink Fresh Studio item. These are from the Just a Little Lovely collection, and these are some phrase stickers that I've had since the beginning of this year, and I'd like to use some more of these pink ones throughout this collection. Next up is an oldie but a goodie. These are some basic Gray Rub Ons. Now, I don't know if there's a year on here. 2008. So last time I used these, they did work okay. But let's see, I think there's one. This is a one big one, 2, 3, 4. Looks like there's 6 rub-ons left. Would love to use these up, whether it be on a card or a layout. Either way, just some really cute baby pink ones. Next up, we have another Pink Fresh Studio item. This is from the Simple and Sweet collection, and this is all I have left from that collection are these 4 stickers. So I thought the black matches, we got some blues in here, and this pink and orange combo could work depending on the layout type. Next up, I pulled in this guy. These are actually from the Target dollar spot quite a few years ago and in the Valentine's Day aisle of the dollar spot, but I've had this for a while and I'd like to use this one up. Add some gold into here. Some lovely illustrated Faith puffy stickers. I thought some of these florals could work well, but we'll have to see. It really depends on mixing styles for me. Sometimes I'll mix them, sometimes I won't, so we'll see if I end up using any of those. Some title options. These are from Jelly Bean Soup. And I've had these from, I want to say May. I ordered online and I got these. So these are from the Garden Harvest collection. I've only used them the one time, so I'd like to use them again. And again, high contrast will work really well with these high contrast patterns from the collection. And an oldie but a goodie, not too old, this is actually 2018, but this is the Heidi Swap Emerson Lane sticker set. And honestly, I've pulled this in so many times, I just can't believe there's not a bigger dent in it, especially the labels. Again, we got pink and yellow, so those ones should match, and gold's always a good choice when it comes to Pink Fresh Studio, so I pulled in these. Then I pulled in this set. Now, I do believe this is actually from the dollar store. I don't know where the second page of this is, but I found this one, and I would love to finish this up as well. So this has one border there in the middle, and then several chevrons left. So let's see, 7 chevrons, and that's it. So I really could use up this one easily this month, and you guys will just have to stick around and see what I do end up using. But if you guys do want sneak peeks of all the things I'm working on, get early access to videos, get vlogs every week, check out my Patreon, which will be linked down below in case you guys are interested in getting so much more content from me. And as always, I really do appreciate your support here and there if you're over there, but I do like to give it a shout out every month in case there's new ones watching. I am bringing in my trusty, my not so dusty Maggie Holmes sticker book. I would love to finish a sticker book this year, and this one's second closest. I actually have one that's a bit closer, but when it comes to sticker books, Maggie Holmes has been my first love and will hopefully be my first empty. This one doesn't have nearly as many planner stickers as the other one that's close to being empty, so this one I think I could pull it off more easily. But we're over halfway through the year, so I'm really gonna have to kick it into gear and include this like every month if I really do plan on it. And again, pastels and brights are also something Maggie Holmes does, and I kind of drew that similarity between the Pink Fresh Studio collection and this Maggie Holmes sticker book. And if I own more Maggie Holmes products, I might have brought them in. I own a couple die cut sets, but not any that really particularly went with this pattern paper or any of the other ones. And lastly, I know this is kind of a small kit for me, but I did want to bring in and acknowledge the purples in this collection. I got to use purple last month, and it made me remember how much I love purple. And then I remembered I had this Kaiser Craft sticker sheet, which is the Misty Mountains collection. And if I could use this floral on a page, oh, that'd be great. So I've only used like half a sticker, the other half's right here. So we're just gonna leave that there, but lots of purples and some pinks and this like bronzy gold color that I could utilize, and I think they'd go well. So as you can tell, really just a mishmash of things. I don't know if they all go together, but I know some of them do. And as long as some of them do, you can make do with them. So with that being said, make sure you check out everyone that's linked down below, because we're all doing different things, and you're bound to find someone either new who you haven't found before, or a style that you're really excited to see someone else work with. Lots and lots of options with so many talented people joining us every month. And be sure to give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed. I will have everyone linked down below. I'll have the playlist linked down below. And if you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. I'll also have all the products linked down below that are still available. Obviously, I have some new stuff. I have some old stuff. So it'll be really hit or miss if I can find them still on the internet for you to purchase. But if you guys do want to support me, the affiliate links are a great way to do so, because who doesn't love getting crafty mail as well? And also in the description box, as always, I've done this for a few months now, I'll continue to have new educational resources and ways you can take action linked down below, because Black Lives Matter today and every day, and it's important that we acknowledge that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you're most excited to see me use. Is it the new Joyful Day collection from Pink Fresh Studio? Is it using up some empties finally? Do you guys have any of this in your stash that you're excited to see me use? Whatever it may be, I'd love to hear from you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys again very, very soon. Bye, guys.